The EF1 error code on an Electrolux dryer indicates that the appliance has a vent air issue. This problem can be caused by a clogged lint screen, a clogged vent, or a faulty thermistor. To fix the issue, start by cleaning the lint screen. Open the dryer's door. Locate the lint screen at the bottom of the door frame. Remove it, and clean it with warm soapy water if it has wax buildup. Once clean, reattach the lint screen and test the dryer. If the issue persists, clean the vent by unplugging the dryer, accessing the vents at the back, and removing the lint. Then, locate the external vents, remove the vent cover, and use a rotator brush attached to a drill to clean the vents, using a vacuum cleaner to catch the lint that comes out. Finally, reattach the vent covers and plug the dryer back in. If the problem is due to a faulty thermistor, replace it by unplugging the dryer, removing the main top, disconnecting the power cord wires, and removing the rear panel. Then, disconnect the thermistor wire connector. Remove the old thermistor, and install a replacement thermistor, reconnecting the wire connector and reassembling the dryer. By following these steps, the EF1 error code issue should be resolved.